put the shoulders together, make sure you have the neckline. You put your collar together with 1/4-inch seams. The shorter edge with the notches is the neckline. So you go ahead and press that. Create your facings with a 1/2-inch seam. Overlock these outside edges, keep the inside unfinished. Then we're going to stitch from these notches. I gotta put the notches in on my sample so you know where you're starting and stopping. This one has the double notch at the back and the fold. And I want to do this real close to the edge. When I add my facing later, I'll do an exact 1/4-inch stitch. But for now, I just want to place it. Now, this is done with the facing. Ms. Davis prefers the students use the facing, the back facing. Usually when I make shirts like this, I use the collar like to clean the edge instead of having that facing, but it's just a matter of how the pattern is made. They're both equally fine. And this notch is really important in pattern making too. It tells you that you're in the right place for when you get to the shoulder seam. So when I teach pattern, I always emphasize the shoulder notch on a collar. The collar comes out even. This. And these are all 1/4-inch seams for the sample. When you do the garment, you can do that hem with a 1/2-inch down here and then do the hem. Okay, for this one, I'm just gonna use 1/4-inch seams and overlock for the sample. My iron was too hot. You can see when the fusing got a little bit too shrunk. Okay, and then when you turn this out, I'm gonna press it before I do the top stitch. But this is now finished as far as the collar is concerned. And what I'm gonna do is just top stitch everything on this part, put my side seams together, and then I'll just overlock the edges for finish for the sample, okay? But when, like I said, if you're doing the shirt, then you want to do it like we did on the blouse where there's a 1/2 inch hem, all right? This is just a 1/2 inch seam here, and then I'll overlock this as well. Thank you.